Afena no na ye doctor fo ni bi se wo mu dwa efunu no woni a wenya yare ni bia wu no na o mo hunu de kodia se yare no aboa no ba wu mu a attack na enam soma wu no enti na o mo se so mu wie a eno bebo mu nti bi o mu wie na o mu timi conclude o mo nya funu baako e bi o mu timi nya funu ba mienu miensa bi ka ho a ye betimi aka bo mahu adekodia potin eku wo mo no ame agina eno so na ye de amane din besi sabre ka say de Dr. Da Costa Abuaji, Director of Ghana Health Promotion Division, Ghana Health Service, and worker say stigmatization no any idea hu pa ewo yare no okon ayeswai ewo sunumu enti woni eboa me yebodawro nyina kanhia na wo mudi tudwa kon be fa so a wo betimi ama amafo agyanyi yimu no na we no sa yare we ya abai ne de no stigmatization na say you suro enihu suro kakra ewo mti yedi nkomo na yahwe ni yese yate se yesi nipa no home kra keke gu so atimenya bi to obi ti so obi anya bi pen a na se nipa no ehwe ne hu yahwe ye ne de no ba no na de yate ne se nipa no ho to no te se wo adada na ote wo na wonfa anye wonfa nsa wo enti se obi nya bi na yahwe na ma ne wato no nko ade a na ozoso wagina tum se de be ya obi so foforo nya onka se me na me nko yi manim na ochina ye de abe mi din enu na ehu no enti na ne no so na mu no ode sane enti obi nya bi wie a enye hu ena anam no wa show nose mask na we use sanitizer ahohoro wonsa na se yesi nipa so mesi obo wani ade a wonyenyi yimu ntia ne sanse onim se wabo ho ban ewom se ho ban bo hia de ne nso ma yenyenyi yimu entia ye nuanom enu nie na Democrat graphic echi ha ena wode abase sesei no kamia kwa ese nipa ni bia so den wo mo wo kan wo mo se yente enti wo mo se wo pe wo bete eti pop skinny di bia kwa wo kumase yesi yehia na se nose mask no wo nhye bi e wasantema mu a Rexec aye Ashanti Regional Security Council wo makwa kwaje atumu se ene ese kuromu a na yetwa baabi ama wo be prama sisi akwa anasa adra na yetwa ama wo kurom gotamu anu akwa yi eno no ebema wani abafie wani beda ho se de be ya afutu a ede ma no beje atum nti wo hwe de bokrata ye chi a police ni bi ena chi wo bi a wonam kurom a won hye nose mask krachi ade osi ehimbotom ena wo chi ni gina ho bo no po na chi ti sa akwada ye bo ne diapers ena wo kyekere ma no na wo se bo ne fa ko na nyina mo ye ho ban na police ni ne de no kama pa de ya ma posifo ni bi ena wa bo ne de eno ene ensema de bokrata de aba se yare ye ba ye ama ne ma bebre ena akam ebi ti se nka abati ne ye boda rosu ye kwa akotwe moja ama ese yesi nipadom enhia enti amma sane ma ni nyina ye ntante sebi ema so guso a wakwa awo so a obehia moja enkwanhia guso si obehia moja nipa ni bi yare abo wo mo ho anu omanya moja wie no obehia moja ensu sesi a ye ntwe moja men akwakwa bibia wo ho enti sakomo no ICGC wo mo ka bomu akwakotwe emoja edi ama eye Accra mpotemu hasa de be ya blood bank ebenye biegu ho na so obi ekwa hohia mu a wo motimi edi abono graphic echi ene de wode bae no mame nko be page op 13 NWC say enche bia Ghana ye benya nhyehyeye a wo mode agu akwan mu na ebeboa ama se obi ekwakwa ne registration wo Registrar General Department a niema beko hariso ama no sanse ye benya website ye dia na nipa no kɔ hɔ no betimi aye ne bibia eno ene ensema democracy de aba Unipass makes progress Unipass ho nsemi aha ba bia ka ma ho asem so mo de Unipass ababa to ha fe de ba bia mo de aduru no eze ho ahia mo ma ba bia nka aha pe ene ye ka ma ne nkwada ho asem mo de Unipass na ato aye wo ha nsa ehye kire de mbe edu eno ye nsam de democratic graphic wode aba ye hwe Chronicle democratic anu mu eno ono so se naked robbery and ekoso ewo health sector ni mu ene yesi woni a ewo say anka wo munya emfaso bi no atwa akwakodi nchen ama nkrofo na edie health minister era ajimamanu foni ene da hanom ena wasira ajimamanu ena wode atodwase frontline health workers ye wo magana mu hanom no ye be ma wo mo allowance 50% bi e de aka wo mo katua na wo mo gye no ho wo bosome mako be se enan bi a na wo mo eku wo mo ho pa ye March April May ena fa June na eno ena wode atodwase edin a e wo se de kɔ emie hu ni se nipa so mesi anaso obenten wono ena wogina kono ya wo hwe yare no ye yi sankrofo na wo mo ye adwuma na sinchen ena mpanimfo no di wo mu din kɔ enti akwada na wono wote ho no obi ba no na ebedi kan hwe ni temperature wo be hwe ni bibia ansa na wahu se nipa so mesi aso wo bi ansa na dina kwa koma mpanimfo na obedu ho no na ono mpodi wo nim dada enti obe hwe ni hu yie no nkwada na yi wo mu din afirim ena mpanimfo no di wo mu din kɔ enti enam so ama nkwada no bi
big agenda na issue no be PA say the accountant then confirm but unim when we Ghana Health Service for details on the amount the 28 people na o ma sure mo nkwa was
yare mu
mo yare ni mu no
hefo but then you can yare mo kan mo yare ni mu anasa audio ownership obam me mpe possessive now bia my brabom me possessive ade we
the Odikai was 61 years or a bema say baby the pulmonary disease I know Ashanti region any kuno your tosumi no yakwada na wenya mfie nkuno
9 years.
9 years. On the woman ma de kuna na ka ho. Eso ni yade bia dada bia. Ono so nkran ha no wo. The otoso miensa e was 75 years. No ye bema ono diabetes won ho, hypertension won ho, and an prostate and so enlargement ni bi won ho. Ono so won kran ha. The otoso na e 41 years. Ono so na diabetes na hypertension won ho or won kran. The otoso num ye 71 years or your bar or hypertension or one crying. The otoso nsin female 55 years or your bema on another diabetes na hypertension na one ho so cry higher no wo. And a fade the otoso nso 54 years congestive cardiac failure. Nti no na kuma ni je mu na say dey na ono nso hypertension ono so greater cry. The otoso and watche over 35 years or your bar or chronic liver disease. And also one crying. The otoso and kono was 67 years or your bema or cerebrovascular accident and a hypertension. And also crying higher. The otoso edu or 58 years or your bema and also hypertension and diabetes. I won't crying higher. The otoso duba akon was 62 years or ye bema on also diabetes and hypertension ya na won ho adikum no or one crying. The otoso dumi no when you 32 years ono de na oni yare bia won ho ya tro nan nan no menim said the children timpani for bo machire yemu no no so one crying. The otoso dumi and some 55 years or ye bema hypertension ne kun no and then the underlying factor no and the otoso edu and 9 but what the maminko ahomana so na fe yane Dr. Patrick Dr. Ahomana Tekos Adom dum ye no saba yane no betwaso enti the otoso edu num ono so ye bema dabi na meduru dumiensa ono so bema hypertension Ashanti region. The otoso do na was 76 years. Ono so hypertension and acute kidney injury. Ono so Ashanti region. Dr. Patrick Kumabwaji, Director General Ghana Health Service. Doc, what am I telling Kamache? Na bibia eboko de.
Bibia eboko.
Ye hun chechremu a mode abafa wonoma coronavirus yetimi age won kwa every one nsem no ebi wo ho a ya bobo yare na menim so betimi nya botre na adagina wetimi explaining yi a tren
so my recover no.
But you start if you want free no na ya recovery no so.
Okay.
Enti who say edin wo ho ebinom wo ho we na underlining factors but wo sha hypertension diabetes and diabetes na do so power reason bi wo ho
friend diabetes no yare bi a eyewa one of the things say reduce immunity so and I'm so immunity conformity no yare bi ayewa etimi kese nemum sena ya kan e kwan say comorbidity na nature say I have welcome say one share no so who has a man can at the same time the prevent is susceptible to the death and looking at him say nipa to move 3 na any associated comorbidity other hypertension diabetes since hypertension so affects your heart. And of course, anything that affects the heart also has the consequences. They do asthmatics. Respiratory disease also an asthma. I can't a bit me. I can say, I don't know on this phone. A bit me. I'm a washroom. So, name of Corona become a GD say a mouth become more susceptible to a bit I'm our free. And only idea near to see Nipani Yanano, condition.
Sir, what a yendi pa Udikain Dog and Patrotamenka? Very good. What shendi pa Udikain or no ye pulmonary disease being at the autosum, yakwada war and fienkuno on the moon who had the kunekunoa. You are tosumi and diabetes womb, hypertension womb, you are tosso 9 hypertension, diabetes, you are tosso enum hypertension, you are tosso the same, you are tosso so hypertension count, you are tosso and kuno hypertension count, a do a count. Dubako account, do me and sa account, do 9 account, and yabiano, one more hypertension, no, one more bar. Mo shed say bia wonindra offer or fair no kind no one I say mo corona nkwa.
Oh there be Oba hospital a chichu in its own entirety and in fact on my more area so only symptoms crown ye mount na we do go hospital because it him say we are susceptible empty ye chichu the total treatment. We have physicians there, we have emergency doctors there who are treating everything from your hypertension, your diabetes to everything, including the symptoms in your managing. If you're managing, the area no, and yet controlled, maybe hypertension in your controlled. So I'm Michelle. If you don't cry, and they do na actually I tell him say onyakoro na kan so na me say that's what we are dealing with if she ni na yen hwe enko and I'm sure say when you abuse so akwa you mean and the hypertension and diabetes am ko when you been dey ko ba sure say treatment man na comprehensive ni bibia na hwe your lab test bibia to say obi a oyare enka say dey bia ya fufu bia ye wa na unya malaria unya fufu bibia system so. Sir, what share a UNICEF for prediction be our modia bar? Almost someone predicted say 6,000. Nkwadama 6,000 be free mu ewo yare because I say yen sheda yen ni nkwada ho attention in company force so menim plan a Ghana Health Service wo say yen nya nkwada bebre wo Ghana ha yare bi aye won attention no anya bi do we have any plan say be protecting nkwada no. And that's a idea. A firm business continuity plan. Your friend Diago cry. And making sure say region be a more COVID team are more share. So there will be a beya coin. I am a juma. Na services no and yes your supply side, yes an area and a fairly biggest demand side. enkwala no ye show mu growth promotion ye show mu didi emu ni adade obu ho class na mate no bo ho so class over hospital enti bianka growth promotion we ni adade so mo ba omumba enti akama with the new protocol ye show mu ye ko mu ho ye show mu small groups ye show mu se ba ya sadem so emba immunization ye ho se first quarter ba from kakra to see after approach ye ko mu ho community and to ko show mu small groups ebit me immunizing color yes I need money na na dia any the traditions say any so ko na do kum san kola na mom modi the same immunization no me ya link na e bia na yan for man hospital no the ba see no there was hospital no is a safe place yeah omo modi ba na ye charge e yo musin chen se ba ya won ba with normal cases no omunya yare fufobia enka hu nti be sro bia se ye hwe na ya ma corona no amfa other diseases enkum nipa nemum obi anya confidence hospital no ye nipa ye mo ho ne pese be yare nti nya de be safety any bad environment ebe ma obi ayare ye nso empe se be nya coronavirus bi nti obi a yare bia no omra so hypertension or diabetes so whatever etimi asho
Pacho, recovery no ababum pao.
Former music boy, of course you are boy. Captain Smart. Who say, who started higher way no the life course no fans there. Unya there 2-3 weeks no, very negative. So very negative. Film that.
But look.
Me say yarewi say yo me say enkunwa I check rabe na ofi mi nsa the body will convert back to negative so na yen say enye obia Ghana dey say we negative ba ko be san ba kwa ka ho bio and sana e declare say we cured so now say na ochi bi mu unya be 1500 cases na ba no 3 weeks time, Mr. Sen never convert.
As a back on him.
Aha! Ain't it never no. Oko Isolation Center Bakwa, PCC, 3 days ago, Nipo 187 and a converted double negative. So, na mention. Oko Ashanti region 1 day 45. So, go first, no, 1, 2, 3. And on see a numbers not also no. Including reporting of recoveries because adults. Now when you know say that 5,700 was the thing now. We na and also we know. Maybe I'm sure that we only mobile when you are in one ton. Captain.
Yes, Doc.
Hello. And they say stage na headroom. The numbers na ebe as recoveries no ebe also because numbers na also e room maybe so beti positive so to be obe yare bia no obe convert enti eno ni ade eba ya ko yi yo mo afifi mo results na say no the first na lab no hu kire o you see obe 9 labs across the country. In the morning, you know, test now. Some results might be met my idea. Into the end, say now more of the negatives are going to come. Okay. Into yes, me say, the man can see me say 130. Then Tuesday, me say 130 are waiting for their second test. And then say, will be our second test. I have results. So that's it.
Matthias. Na mpacho won ati apon ye te se nkwada wum doso sanete
enkwala kra no de kakra bi nyenya o hwe graph na hu say age bracket no enkwala pe wum ya kakra bi entimi nya no kra
na text complain say chew say kwa sana results ne be ba no e che meaning say that results na bantem. What you say?
That results na bantem.
Say they bantem.
We say one first near 2 labs. na ye obe eyi ebi oho ebi okumase akra nkon ebe 4 ebi otamale ebi otakra de ye so phone tamale tamale ye enti and then results no bantem enti mo waiting for their second negatives no they are able to do it quickly and get their results and no na aba also mo say yare no nipa 5,700 no we enti also to the place on what all so I think it follow up people are having some think if follow me a number of recoveries program and can better also change yeah econo ubo afro na onfa ubo onya first negative no also me what mo bia me hama review to we kwa onye test no nka numbers na ba me do so
okay doc mamenda wase bibia se twa meton safro
captain me that it
Mr. Medase, Dr. Patrick Kuma Boaje, Director General, Ghana Health Service. But when I am a feminine Dr. Amiya Emmanuel Pediatrician, na yenene mbo uncommon for comorbidities about COVID-19. Doc, what do you mean come at here?
Yeah, more.
Now, Bibia Boko there. Wadama, what share COVID-19? One Ghana Health Service, the other two just say, Yariano Kahuna Mowuna. Hypertension, diabetes, diabetes. Link Bernard, hypertension, and diabetes, and COVID-19. What? I said, we were no be an edo ukui.
Yo, Medasi. Na, Mamentia at T4, Michia Muninaso. Niatian said, Ubiwo, Yadi Bia, to say hypertension, diabetes. Hypercholesterolemia, your friend cholesterol, and arthritis, stroke, cancer, obesity, sickle cell. Saya dear winning, yet the Nipano dina who dear, yet the Koya dear, Enna, any yadin, edi, a sea. Well, say Obi, Enna, so be COVID-19 year, a viral infection. As at now, you need a drop potting yedisaya the adra yedi numa omo mwenye bi nyina yedra yedi so sano afina mpanifo gusu anase doctors pharmacists your scientists gusu a omo pe adru enti se obi na yade we bia odina hoden yedo kon yade nso na kokon na already se sa ahoden no kon yade foforo a na chesa yede ama nipa kro enti eno no se otratra ho anase wanhwe ani ho asem tem anase yeni ankon ho yi a ebetumi ama nipa ko ahwere ne nkwa intentem enam se ahoden a odi kokko COVID-19 nusa enti ema COVID-19 ya ho odi ntubro ne de so
wan kunin tama yade soso na yesi obi ho kra ebetumi ahye wo ho obi owa on show any of the symptoms ombowa ntataso on winsi ne ho nyehye ne tinye ne ya bibie ni wa on demonstrate any of the symptoms say obi tisa na say bia owo any of these underlying health factors bia nipa ne be den obebo no ho bai doc
yo se ohwe ayi mpembebre omo wo bia omo show bibia no eye omo ahoden omo de koyade no ewo soro no omo a sebi omo ni comorbidities bia ye kasa omo hoden mpembebre omo no ye mabu oni yade bia na didie mu ye kama ne hoden enti na hoden a wode koyade no ewo soro enti se wonya COVID-19 bia enya bia ehwo ntema na se etumi de ne to ho eno etumi wo hwe COVID-19 bi wo hokora very mild to say wonya common cold na wonya kata eno ne nam ho ba eno no problem so betumi dia sign obi na nam so no betumi dia sign obi ahwe kora na bia ni nwa pani bia na ne na ne ma no bi wo hypertension or diabetes ebi wo cancer kora na odi akosarentina say you prevention protocols I wo ho and say obeho nsa all the time and in between o kan bibia se sika kura no bi dia ma wo bo akiri kura ohonsa na after that nsuo ni ho kura obetumi ayi use hand sanitizers and so oni obia o shaking hands and I say wo chia obi won nsem and I wo hug obi won say we no nsuban wo share obi ache wo share o mate bi ache wo share wo sorry ni bi ache odi won sabeto ni sayem yes sa ni ma wo nyina yentwa so because ebetumi ama ono a wo bi a ne ho odin a wonam ho no a wunim no obetumi ade yade na ma so wo bo wa na wo sneeze a yes sneeze paper mu tissue paper from there now they are top bottom and I say wo kwa wa beti a won sana wa batwa na no hinsi aguwa won sam so shatare won shatare is better that we than ube hinsi agu framamu what was the first nko bi hinsi say good luck we hinsi say sika but say you say hinsi obi hinsi no so bi ben ho na say nipa wa hinsi no say wo yade bi obetumi ma obi anya bi ana fofo say wo kaka wanim on say nipa ta say wa hwa ma hwa de we partner we say nipa ta de no sa hye no hwim wo be hwe na wo no ano wini because e bi e hoya ne hene nipa ta de no sa pesa nani and at times your ta de nsa hye no service will be a kind book and as wo kan sika be hwe na wo de nsa akane ketrema so we na betumi ama yenya yade bi and na another thing so e betumi aya boy ho ban say ba bi ani pawo bebre hwese wo ko udokwa you have to do this social distancing.
Okay, doc, yen hwe say some we hypertension minim say me will be say bi obi tie no will be a ana obi wo diabetes ana obi asthmatic patient obi wo any liver or kidney problem bia sankrofo den na wonye cause say ababetom kura say won wa wo so pa no obesity for no no so account won wa wotesa no wonye den bimbo ben den na wonye
so osha first one na making strict prevention protocols. Nyema yekin na say nipa we anse say wo pie abonten abra wo mo mask. Wo hwe mask ya e bi de da na abodwe ase. E bi kra wo bisa na afi na wo be ye free ni botom akiro. Inti mask e so obi abo. That is one. And now so you will be a friend appointment with the hospital. Sankofui yankofo a obi owo hypertension or diabetes pendebri o moko hospital no moko aye mo appointment say oh ofo wagru edi bosomi nyensa ana say ye kama etimka to say edi bosomi nsia fa ho bekire sa appointments na they should keep it but in between the appointment so who say problem bi wo ho no ho ye ne basa won twa masa 3 months and 6 months no ontumrika enko another thing so we need Sankofui from time to time, you refer or moko dietitian and a nutritionist or empty near dietitian and a nutritionist becano or muniso easy. And if you are exercise, you're good for everybody. So you can't say exercise, pendebri nipan tiasie. Exercise in chesa kutumika. Gigi anati wa hu say football abi wo ha woni nkutum. Exercise between ya nantie. So for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, it can be good exercise for these people or anybody. It can also be trotting. So kaka. And we free ho now we say problem be our won't call the doctor. So you do way and also we do way in a COVID-19 no they were around, but on between your ball or Muhuban.
Let's a dia. Na no nkyerese wo wasa yare we bia wo kyerese no ntina kyerese wo bewu dabi wo
yade a eno nya problem bibia me ka kire my patient so wo yade a ye hu se wo hypertension enya problem bi wo hypertension wa dru nti eno an se mra eda ho a ye de bema wo no ko fa dru wi fa no presenda ko da bia no na ebia busumi ni rubra na yan checking hwe kidney yan checking hwe liver ana yan checking we hwe sene enti ana diabetes konumwe every week ko check blood sugar na fa betire ana every day checking ana pani enwe oba ana dia betire wo ye eno a problem be any ho. And it's a yes, I know my way, not that down or doctor say ye. Na enusu ho na protocols a ye dia to was say we we abeba ho ban fi COVID-19 we ka ho a we problem.
Afede wa ma me kuma tom ye because I say na me ye mo hyehyeme ma won a aso mo hypertension diabetes ne sa ne ma ne body ahwe I say ye ma stress bi ba won so anopai.
David and so stress could be aso. Once odi nyese wodi but we ya de ever so malaria kra na sebi one no maduro malaria no betumi ku so ye panu ya kwala but we malaria wakọ no maduro 3 days time ugo we say wa soragina na woko nti ya de no any problem. It's part of humanity. Ye nipa ya nipa shu ya no ya de do COVID-19 diabetes is part of our life. Nti eba kwan be na ese fashion. Even though COVID-19 sabi yen dro pot ye wo kwan ya de be fashion. So eba you catch you say wonsa enche obi enko ba bia nipa wo she maska eno so ya dro no wo ye eno na wo nya bia wo na dro. Nti say yes anoma we nyina we don't have any problem again.
Doc, my main came away from UNICEF for website. But who's other news channels are publishing. But I see the United Nations Children's Fund warned Wednesday that about 6,000 young children could die every day from preventable causes during the next 6 months of the coronavirus pandemic. The deaths would largely occur in low and middle income countries with health systems that are already weak and may be overwhelmed by the pandemic response. Yen kwada ye wo mo Ghana ha.
Yes.
We are pediatrician in the boy. Then you betimi aye to protect our children. Okwa paragraph 2 now. Or say under a worst case scenario, the global number of children dying before their 5th birthdays could increase for the first time in decades. That's kwada na ya wo mo say na kwesi so be 5 years no kwada one here. I mean, what can we do? Tell us.
I deal we are working, you know. Working in a dada. Nkwala omu ye under 5. The omu ye 5 years no. Sabi yadie infections are can tell kuno pa. Na ne ma ne ba ne se we di kan se ahoden a omu de koyade no. Afina wo akwala oni bi anase wo fam afina wo be build and I will low income countries here wabodin ya sabi aduane kura ya din nkwala bi wo ho a wo de nam kumase akura wo nam kumase akra akwala bi wo tun se the whole day onyanya aduane papa bi ani and nkwala no so dodo na eye aduane no na omode build immunity no entina e man basa enti eye simple sakwala die so woman na biane adi okodina gro wo sakwala no ho hye no de mika de na ko hospital problem bi any as much as possible wo say sakwala omo yes ano wo timi say so wo tu a nkola tu ni nyina benyi wo 5 nkola 5 ni nyina benyi na wo mo a sebi nkola no wu bebre se na ye kan ye akwala no ne ho ye hye no na ne maame akwa tete wura bi no wa yam no de asana no we no na ono akwa koto adru enti wo mra hospital ma ye hu se saade we ye malaria na chese a wiki na na se adosa no bibri a we ye ho bibi at times eji ensem intumi nya ho hwe se no no a nka is no problem and we nyina this time esese nkola nyina ye bo mo ho ban wo COVID-19 na aba o mo de ka ho asemi ese ye bo nkola ho ban se akwala wo man nkoye bibi ense se wo man ko so you be a no mie fi kakra ebi owo Jesus SS Albert mama hwe so wa bon mask okwa won so wo koyi hwe na wo obi enko di nkomo because when we say wo mask no na wo kasa kwa na eyi ndi akwala de wo yi kwa bia wo hu se so de hye enti se ye bon kwala no ban ye hwe so mo fi ye hwe so babi o mo wo ye kama ye hwe so wo mo didi wo mo bia ne ye kama say yes anu ma we na we say akwala no problem bia wo ho na di mika afre doctor and I say o de no ko hospital na ya hwe problem o fa ye we ya sebi ye ni omo wa bruchi ni nsa ma o can we defeat it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it, Dr. Amiya, BBS Chair Beton Safrel. Dr. Emmanuel Amiya, pediatrician, Confanoche Teaching Hospital, now it's a seminal. Ebo and Comono. Mamen Qua Homana Sona Menini Pafufro and Moncomo, Memoni Ding, and Nam. Say Yanni attended and someone for so you channel Abrofan taking organization no and Debbie we are not DBI one virus. Many ultimate come out here. Now BBI Boko.
No, I don't know who you are.
Good. I don't pay when you're BBI.
I feel my mission in all BBI.
Sir? Now be today.
About the Casa, the man in the young with taking lead into the obedient baby.
Oh, why feel with your own?
That's why.
I want to jump quiet share home.
I grew up before I came quite there.
And the engine say, Madama, young say, my young one for 4 man, what you said, I'm on fancy camera. And that no mere no so I know. No fufu yeah try and find here we wife who so want to say
no I don't know who you are.
Good but boy when you COVID-19 maybe
that's why
we then and a year war fear na be trace you na be file sample one call hospital what happened Bobin come
me call we na member enti member na me do me fear na me so mu ye random testing wo area ho ti me kura me twam ko fie na me member ba ko be ka tem so o mo ba area ha mu test ti wa o pe bia wetin akoye bi and the immigration officer back over me chest after the beginning of corridor no so they are just doing random testing to me pa me to be by any shit in me person me na my brother cry no so the me saliva pedom here no checking me temperature and me tested that was on the 17th April it man to can be 27th and numrena me almost friend say the results by positive in 2018 means he see me on Flamenco isolation center, member hospital na Flamenco isolation center, and I miss see me on that McCoy.
Time na one be far or sample no a chair answer eba results.
10 days.
10 days.
That's why.
10 days now. We now now we am show and now we am show.
Me demand you know that cry because me know be me chef quite the time me PA lockdown the second phase in na government the any by na so on temu hono or mo friend say yes we me give in my members tie koji ye die no na ye local assembly no so to be kan ho and yes ye chairman members na will be am so that was the only period that me PA call ya na me bua ma ya chedwan na ma members nti ma anko so ma agenda kokra that say I will be positive because me no be a me PA me feel all the time and stuff.
Adam no na kwa sorry ana
me Pentecostal than to go Pentecostal necessary for me
and me no and praise God.
Hallelujah.
And yeah, trying to say some na lab results them by na what to be or read him so be queen now higher we are queen now tea wabo wa wo wincing wo ye bibi did you show any symptom?
No. Before me call home, me buy said there is no symptom here. Ma catch me no. To be frank, I was like, how? And I mean pain cry like my journey initially say it was true, but actually I'm with the some say about 80% of Ghanaians are they don't show any signs. And I'm saying, well, if that's what they say, yeah, I'm not a medical expert in to me challenging what they say. Or more can say we're positive there. And then I'm sorry, but a whole lot of catch minimum like a mommy junior home kakra, but since I'm taking tests, I didn't even think about it one day. Because she's some catching some positive answer. And so I'm junior home kakra about it.
Isolation center ben now call you.
PCC.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what to say? Okay, now what to say?
Oh, we are fantastic. My hoping, but number coache. But we share innovation on my whole. So the environment in the neatness of the place, the neatness of the rooms. Place the venue the Minabema is an excellent place. It's an excellent place.
Na mo hwemu ho nso te same we didie mu na ni na te same
the initially did na and wasn't as expected. It's like expectation no reality no na there were difference because the economy phrase and fashion that was what we got to for be to be pay and fashion na we ko into dia oba I say you could do whole time and lunch, breakfast, but that's for the first 2 days, first 2-3 days in a day. Now, and your man as expected, the engagee, and medical team require you meeting the immune, but for union sanity, a month of gap, because the second day, you call Tuesday, 28, 29, 30th, say 29th minimum, breakfast bar around the 8:30 to 9. And lunch by almost 2:30 to 3. Na sapa no kwani kuni pa me by almost 8 and maybe 8 o'clock to 8:30. Ekobaya eba den katen kwan inteni die amanfo giant the next one kwa ye devotion amanfo ni die mo woni na eba ni na ba devotion ho ebe kire nso na me devotion leader me na me preach ho nti omo de be kire me elder share the only one mo ma nwa ya ni di na edai Etiema ya so yeshima yeni leadership ne guys na yeda omano no na se na me spiritual side ba na ye leader ankasa ni nkofo mo kan ye ho for patients ni ya be leader enti ye friend Mr. Ben omumu na ye ni ko ngiji and for your free meeting countless meetings I know mo express our displeasure and there was a journalist among us to so a report the call on the daily heritage in other media station. And also tell your media say things were not right there in my medical team so and Tembishia and my whole corner and I feel near money kakra. Second week look in any money pa and the night high in Bia car don't say a bit about them you know and such a album.
Now won't show symptom be said I would free fear coy no. San and now the horse was under by wow fee.
Because you say over 200 people and a good broken media. Man, he will be able to show symptoms via auntie. You cry to the little baby, Lumi and Sabina, or me, and free broke or the call. Is or more now more a more asthmatic or more clinic, my Bombisao health conditions, then I will a asthmatic, or hypertension, no more as doctors like at you say. Say be to her only near Mombiting Jasho into no power show, one person you free had to call against a whole hospital and say be required by Umbiting Salmontum into no patch of Nafi, Utiasia Momana, on the ambulance for free isolation center what the call, but say will be Bowa, will be a Yari Manhibisa Dao, because he said, don't know over 200 people if you go by.
Pacho, I biano. Men pesa obe bodin, but your mamo a draw. My no, your mother my no catch a plane saying a virus treatment, just to boost our immune system. And then he said, don't mammy a normal adrenaline mean fear, but open and a different immune hobida. In a demaya and no just for Umbrella will be a first 3 days, nobody you take it 1 a day, never take it 3 days maybe. Then, based on your health conditions, our doctors know they will prescribe another medicine for you to go over a common medicine you need in the room. Will be 1 or 2 common medicine will be a taken.
Then the third one and a 4 for fifth one, be depending on the how. In the clinic now, we could share doctor no be service questions degree. Then based on the who that do this that on to me Edenwa Abrow and also Mr. Salmon and also cancel area for. As we say, woman be with you, ya will be how we be with me Coco Cabia running with you, ya who experiencing malaria, who feel or malaria, they do those tests for us just to keep us going to clinic will be our mayor and they give medicine based on condition.
Okay. Now more holding now what the apple boom.
Doma no devotion no day. Me can be devotion for common and minimum in power. Because yeah, test first negative were close to 200. Yeah, testing negative second one a year by and was over 200. And then I poor everything was another man. The week I cry into a shoot a crab bomb. We say Nipano engine to me so yeah, not better. And some most of the people were excuse me to Arabia forced to come. They didn't talk them to understand it. They say, me say, not because the seculars are ama me kwa na me tell with you local assembly. And my read about it. And he about some more isolating me now. Even though they didn't talk much. But now I understood the reason for the isolation. Say, ebe bua mi anka sa kwa mi wa mami. Nti ebe bua mi ne me yere ne me ma. Say me ko. And yes, and I'm sure say BBIBC because I was very healthy na me ko. But no business of how mobile and because the first day meeting say that was we could do Wednesday, Tuesday, no devotion we and on the meeting after the devotion. And if you look at amount for anger no more de casa. No more so refugee better and I mean and I was in my virus. One family test was also crying to me and I was positive and that kind of anger. You see, and I look at so we did a casa chromo power much of the more cano. Yeah, advantage because we don't even know the virus in the subanti. It could be no. To say the corner, I want my medical first and move here. I feel from the second day go Mishasia, we preach here on the moment. And people that did up to date, few work and that's fair. Amount of feeling like they were just got there for probably political reasons and not ideal reasons, but they don't even believe they were sick mainly because of a virus, media. We should sign beer with or more should sign beer and not be still engine to be say they were healed, they were even sick in the first place and I'm sign quite get healed.
Mamene elder Iren Kaza.
But you near around will pick a crazy.
Oh, Mikasa Dickens show.
It was today. Oh, yeah, the crazy remember.
And see, Mammy Henry say. I am uncle for ye wabon tia ebia young call any of these isolation centers will be on womunya bino. Your money who size or isolation center while we see so a draw we see so your ma way yes anate.
Isolation center how you correct you is I said about hotel the only thing is everything peak by anymore. Because your call, you say, to be frank with you, some people cry, why don't you be your call, no catching it, but hey, we won't pay me, ma. Now you do. I mean, I'll come up with your marriage, the rough. Because when did you cry? Yeah. But you have done yet. We should have come in room, big room, TV, your whole fridge, your whole, the toilet and bath, fishing, 2 beds, you have a dahane, Sana Makoda bed, also, now better. Beyond how he saw the place, I come a coupon for 3 months, he gave only to be 3 months. Or buy your Dava de Chio Kataman for a little 3 months. Kianik on Koye. Now, so we see as I could see the thing to the 3 months. Facility is very nice. And a bloom of reality to me say not because of any preaching, I'm also be about Bompire Mammy, you see. And sometimes we want to share in life, or need to pay 6 at that time back. Or need to pay for the dead time back or buy or else in there when you would you cry with him. Here's the case if you didn't know pay your memory. And he almost said the wood dinner, it is far even better than Cinco Tiffy. They share those kind of experience, but I say the isolation center number, they didn't anticipate say it to be that. And they've been also or muti, and so they didn't also like the place because we feel could be the DH and said yeah or call or feel could be an papa so said you call there where that mix feelings you shall not say or more muti no ekasa chiro mo anger you are no more muti no ya leaders na bench I don't feel more idiot you yankoye sister Akubo say the first time I made that baby TV we never tell that we get in hotel enti ejina obia ni so I mean some for socio economic status no we feel no had effect on how they perceive the place and how they welcome how they see the treatment. Whilst many people were happy with the treatment they received, others too were not happy because more compared with what they have in the house, there were differences. In the isolation center, to me say I didn't see any. I relaxed. There was my work is more online. I didn't feel. Even though for abusing method na yakaka free na nkran wo daddy you wish you at home and then I thought that I had but as to say be holding me I was okay.
Tinacha san krofonya e kran kom ka ho
vent ba ku bi 3 months the year back when you woja otika mu ye da radio say final day packing every 17 of them to be franco kwame ko pa because me ni jana be so my option pa nka metena
na sen kwada adoso omumu ampa
youth and teens no modoso mama nka say from teen for no na early from mo 20s ni de no modoso and teenagers no 20s no modoso pa na you won kwa few kwa so mo below 12 years like 8, 9, 10 years, few ones to be no more. But teens in a dozen, teen from 13, 19, early 20s, no dozen. And you ask yourself why. When you form can no more society. And when you form make up from 45 or 40, 50 going for no, can no more society. But young girls, no. I did about one young worry parent, Dr. Bakon, Dr. Dominic Mwiti, and Dr. Fidia Dimamu, one of those doctors I know more related. And now I kept asking them why the teens no more so quite how much teens in their banados. Probably their lifestyle. Because they take things for granted. And the news makes you book and say, yet to come my yebina, we shall come my teens, but you phone is a news max. But young boys no movie and you say, oh, because those people see shame it here. Or more cast with anger. One so strong. Until you feel it when you're not 90. Teens need the early 20s for an or 20-year categories in the normal dose.
Marinda was say, na Bibi Ababiuma, Yabesaka Sassopany.
But you never does a final shower.
Amen, no shower so. Yes, I branch about could a friend 3 months on this Unya.
Na yes, what can say it depends on your social status. You will go identical prison, na ye in a free prison. Na wakwato to breaku Miami Krum Kato, see my wakwato to Boko Brekum police station, say and San Fano Conecom ye chinitum prison. Yes, I'm finding
Minimobia no person sad in the conim de we are kitty, Quesia Dam for Yasoren, and was quite sorry for an iron rose.
Near
the sad in the co.
It's in any
fast. I come up a hoy and a day.
Up a baby or Benyan di Pacran and a bonko mokeke. And you depend on Nibi. Inti a Megasa can be sooner a no marker.
Salama to Adamu, our home, so Salama to Slama
Alaikum salam.
Na ete say
ni patron ya Adumo
obana na what sense say
atose anapedi nyankupa Adumo ya kakra mama ni ndura no nti oda ho
okay ebusa fa mama ya mene ne ka say ne ba ono akwada ne papa watweseka watwa akwada na so say show akwada no wanya mfie say
ni patron won
fiedu oba na se bema
bema
oko school
the patron
mo den na ne papa twa na so yin
the patron akola no na owo me nchen e na ne papa say me fa ne mre no na ma fa na mre no mo se bibi akwala na on fa me ho ncheni nti ofra mi auntie e wo obom na mi auntie to say mi wa aguna so eduro na ofra mi na ka kire mi nti sa ada na mi de akwala na ye den mi de ni brain mi de ni ba ni ba 3 months or 4 months ani nti Friday ni mo fie na mi auntie frɛ mi say Baba, anyi fa na mi so mo fie no se Zaka ba ho ana na mi si dabi Zaka ma hoye no se ni papa frɛ mi say Zaka fa mi sika 2.5 de adwane ohun ni nti se ba ho a mi ngi sika ni nto ho na mi si yo mate mi hwɛ ni ma mi ko se de lorry station woni na ko twɛn say bia na obeba wamba kaka na ma frɛ mi ante business akola na ba mu so mmae kaka na ma frɛ so mmae nti achiri na mi ante frɛ mi say akola na bo na dede a wa ha no to kwa gidigidi yesi small boy bi na fa ni moto omu ko chima ya na omu bae nti omu bae no na ni papa chi ni say akowie ni sika nti obu ni sa obu bon ohwe no ohwe ni yo na tiche ni bi eye den ekoso no mu so on jai nti oja na akola ni jani e ba mi auntie sen oja ni ba mi auntie chen no ana ese papa ni samba ye ana samba cha akola no de mu ko fie odi no ko ve no ko odi ni nsa 2 table say obetwa ni nsa 5 ni nyina efi ho ela no si asi bo de bu wo so ho na obe ye den oba no betwa ni na otwa akola nti akola ni twa ni nsa ni sika ni twa ni nsa kuma no baako ba twa ni nsa kuma ni baako ba kaka kredi say be fi so ba fi so ye nti omo fa akola no di ni dwane ye ela omo ni ba me auntie ho omo ni ba me auntie ho no tike ni na odi ni ba ye no papa na ya twa tike ni ni say so afa akola na mbre na ade obe tike ni no ebe no wawa tike ni so hu di obe ye na odi akola ni ye den odi no koma papa no nti odi no koma no na ye so odi akola no odi no ko shede mu no lock dan no na odi chin chichira akola ni so ko ni chi na so akola ni hata ni ni nti akola ni hata ni ni no na yi blade no na obi cha akola na so na o si sa akola ni so ni no so kekem ode mu a odi sika da wo ni mene nti mo nkekem akola ni ye di nti akola ni si wo ntume nsu ena ejura akola ni TV fa ena odi kali kwe asuna wetwa no so otwa akola na so half na e ka no ejura akola ni TV na odi kali kuro no so ena o si o ma akola ni ko jare no ka ni si edem si on da mon pie nti sada no ama akola na eduane na ade chinye nti sada na asam mi si no ba e te no ko ka mi so mi fi so edro na mi eden mi de du ha se mbedu na ade asa se no oti mi so mi suro se mo kwa mo ko fi o se mi kwa kohwe mi ba no nta ahomachi mu na akola no ti se amaba na odwane ye no ba mi nchen nti oba mi nchen na mi eden ni ko report ma asam no ma asam ma si afa no hospital na omo ma ye hospital report na from police station ti e do ko we am from hospital bi wo ho na ye de no ko ye na ye de no ko police station wa am from ho no no omo ye police report na ye de no ko hospital na omo hwe na asifo na omo hwe ko ni nyina obi e kikem asunu wini kwa na owu wini wo ho se ya asubati omu wini nyina efi wo no asunu aka half kura ye ni bibia mpo entumi yeye aka half kura aye ni bibia entumi yeye nti omu hwe no na omu ne ba ye na ye befa papa no na ye de ne koye ye de ne ko omu bisa na asunu so no hu ase wato asunu achine asunu etwa no wato achine nti asu ohu asu bia na ye de ne koye yadi no ko second one esa akola no so ni bi asunu wo asunu da konkomo de krensi egu hu na esa ni akola ni papa ni nyina san ba biom ya be hwe no konkono nkwa na esi akrensi wo ma blade ni da hu ba asunu ndem oso wato asunu achine misi ni ndem misi asunu wato achine nti pacho muti ya ndi esi na maka chiro no
so for we go Facebook pictures na videos na ina obehu but salamatu anopa no ka say papa nso de aso no beto na akwada ni nyina ode akere no
sa no ka me anti mu ko ho na amala omuti so mo twa na aso na omo ko ho no ena okoyi aso ni tire me anti say eni aso ni eni nie oba hata say akwada ni nyina obeyi da akere no say sika no wi aye no na nti no twa na aso ni aso ni nie nti achi na yesa ba na o si aso na ayira no na me de ni nje bi say aso no ayira nje ni say aso na ayira sa ni pa me ni mi nse ni hu aso no
okay na sika na dodo wa say
asi akola ni fa 2.5 ena akola ni say oni asmo boy bi na din tubo ba ni afiti ane ba no ono no fa ni moto small boy ni di 60 Ghana woni sim na ne papa twa ne nsa wie no twa na so wie no e no na akola ne ye den okoko fast kan de blend fa de aka no e no de blend ne papa according to akola ne bisa no so de scan ma ne papa se bisa no se akola de scan kan ne ma no nti akola no wa first kan ankoto hwe
what da ne papa no worry
me papa me ni ejai
sika no kofa wo ne papa dem ana so kofa no hin sakola no ne wona tie
ese owo me chance ne papa ne be fa no nti asemi si de ne papa nche na owo nti ne papa ne de mo no fa sika no o si ti papa de sika no to TV so no so fa ye
se papa na worry ana
wa yakọ no ni mma minu na ewo fie ho
na won so worry
ipacho me de me worry
no okay eti se akwada no hospital na so wo fie
ipacho ndo na de no hospital to ma yi no nti se am de na ba fie na me hwe no fie
ana papa no wa hin se
papa ni se police phone and police van de no ko ndra
moko hospital no wan etu a bill no
hospital na ya de no ko no we my sister ba ko no ti ai my sister ba ko kam ho am no ko yo ni no ti ai mi de ni skent no my sister ba ko no no o ye bibia
oba no betimi akasa
me pa try
mama ne akola ne nkasa
Zach ba me pa try me de man
ai fa phone no man
hello
it's say
sakare
wasono anope ye wo ya kase ana say ye kakra ye kakra then see ye then our papa twa waso katre then see
me fa sika no try
o fa ni sika adenti na o fa ni sika no
je le don touch man me come no si baby
there's a obusan so on to atade ma wa on to
no akopon post akopon we material so he permission na tete hi
so shene tete na o ka chen so on to from wa on to enu tina ma o fa sika no o fa say
2.5
na 2.5 na da hin e hye ne bottom e da table so ana na e wo hin
na da table so
who so yi ke wo so
TV
what you say
na da table so TV so
okay into who so dey ato ho na afa what the koye dey
no kala bi kan le yetuki ya na mi o chama sina mdi da kan ba man
into wo the o fa no the ye dey wo
ma fa nyeshi mantashu
dey
mantashu
one tohwe one tohwe the adent na o fa it is say na o the man no e ka say na o the man papa
eka we 1.9
eka 1.9 and the scan so yes saying
2.5
and 60 Ghana no the year day
with my run
kada no year then or 60 Ghana man no
of family
do ko hin
and the book of my summer any other to know boom
at the one and now person what's na moto na chi
the minimum not also them
and two question won okay o papa hu ye no o ye den ansase kan ni bi twa o
no o fi min bla ni kwaya no homo no na si plan zandu welesu we am di fidan gel so am di fidan no bino nda santi kilonta ngom mi kikema ba no mu ba Ombana oso beka na mjeje na msaki kana sika tayana. Wajegu na bana ndu ko fina okoyo mam. Ndi bana ko mam no. Na zambao. Ola na chini. Na dimsa ko sejem. Nitasi jemi. Nzenzi na sama sabi bawo. Na mjani ye. Mjani na se. Se mi family du koe. Nti. Viziano. Mwana nuwa.
Okay, na adensa witiri wa papai.
Ona kata no ye.
Odi den na ye.
Oyi bi Thomas no di bledi. Yini tiri na di odi tuso.
Aya wo tafa wo papa sika on.
Baby.
Aya komode wa na wa fa ketekete ana. Na ya komode na wa fa ketekete na wo ka kire ne se da wo sika na mafa.
Nani bofu.
Wo kana ne bofu. Enti wa wo hwa wa fa be dodo o sei.
3.
Wa fa 3. Okay. Me pesa me ka se mbi kire why? Okay. The edi kan ne se o papa sika da ho no nka kire o se fa memfa. Why?
Yeah.
Aha, wanye sa na se e ka ho a e be ha adwen kakra. Enti no de bia no se ohu se obi ade da ho na se ade no wo pa ka kire ni wura na se pacho wade mepebi se nipa ne pene ana ote ase a no de ma wa na waje wanfa ma wa memfa why okay se ekomode o na upeduane a ka kire da se ekomode me no ma usika ne bi mfa nkoto aduane wo amanwia why okay enti wonye bium right wonye bium wonfa bium What say? There be me sa won fa sika ne biom so e da won fa. Now say why no mbe yi no o papa? Ada won pese be yi no.
Sanga mbe yi na ka me ya di bi na mayin.
Aka be den. Den na be yan say yi no. Wo so be ye bibi na ye yi no. Den na be ye.
Yes.
Oh. Aden ka be bompa ya manana. Campaign no be bomma no. Wa fe wo papa? Wa fe wo papa, okay. Tu pese ye yi no. Na obe kwa kwasra no police station ho.
Nde be ko am ko siesie. Ndi akoni anyo makokot.
O pese ye de ne kokot. O de ye o ya kola anti en fancy ya. Ti Sharon so obi ade wo ho aye amemfa why?
Yo.
Ai, that's it. Yeah.
Nana. Ntoni bo ha kato hine wanya ni baby kona natural say senye di oha. Abatete na form o.
Enye easy o.
Na form. Teacher say kwala ne dɔɔso a. Sabe ya behu na kwala bia. On so offense kan unim de ode ya ode ko excursion. Watete ti nkro bidin, watete ti area bidin onko ho da onim ho. Enti ofese wo kɔ ho. Se unim mo ba. Na ya na ya ahomete se ma make sure growing up na me pen machines ni TV ni sane ma no. Enti wo beka sam ye kwadwofo because me se de obi di ahopepre beka so mo kɔ afuom no me eduru se ye kɔ afuom ma yare.
Onko.
Oh Debbie. Na yenyi by the far side nyame. Me na din se kan tam se na afuom ma me nko bi da because e bɔ 3. Me so me area ho afuom nyina ba baby sade asi wo ho. For you better by the fire side, I don't admit you for my mayor. Then you see, be a qualabu or no man, no wish shed any muno, unima dear wope. Tia best shower for no. I said to the be a homete, 1 year, Ubeko, dear by some.
Na akui.
But it was so.
Yes, sorry, and Daddy Academy.
Yes, sorry, Obakaya, Bakuya, Obo, Obone Bay, and it's once and by no, and it's no banning chain or cogeno. ena we nso no wo ba ne nche no no so kɔgye no
obi apen ba
nene opa oba de house aye ne saye de
social system na kwala no wo ho this a week na month bi ade odi sika kɔ o nchen so adidi obedi bi to de bi ya economics nko abrabo na kɔ economics
bibia we fine ko yo
bibia fine Kobi Stone aba Kobi
Capito
say bibia fine
pa
Dwaso
na captain message is free time eba ano nye fe kra o
adey
say insu sem hadwen wo tema ne empatempa few days ni
ka hwasem no
enya sem da from Capito
tema pa
tema o
to ye unipa